Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a Google My Business account. Alright, the first thing you need to do here is just open up a web browser. And once you're in here, just go ahead and go to the URL box and type in Google My Business. Alright, once done, just hit on enter. And this one will pop up. As you can see here, I have one business here ready because I have created this one like a few weeks ago. And it says here it is not publicly visible because I have not verified this particular business. Not yet. All right, to create one, just go ahead and click on this one right here, the Google Business Profile, get listed on Google. Click on that, then go to Manage Now. All right, it will ask for verification. Just go ahead and follow the verification process. I'm going to go ahead and enter my password right here. This is basically your Google account that you're trying to log in. I'm going to get the verification code. I just received it, so I'm going to type in 879126. Hit on next. Not now. All right, once logged in, you will see this particular page right here. Get your business discovered on Google Search, Maps, and more. Just go ahead and type in your business name. For example, it will say create a business with this name. Just go ahead and click on that and hit on continue. You will have the option to choose online retail, local store, or service business. So I'm just going to go ahead and select service business. Next, business category. It could be any category. All right, depends on you. I'm just going to select tutoring. Next, where do you serve your customers? If you have a local spot, all right, in a particular area, just go ahead and type that in here. But if you're working online, or if you don't have an office whatsoever, just go ahead and select on next. And of course, select the region, for example, Philippines. Click Philippines and hit on next. And of course, input your phone number right here and the website if you have a website. All right, hit on next. Then you can also get news and tips about how to improve your business profile, and also invitations to participate in occasional service and pilots. You can go ahead and click or tick both of these, or just leave it unticked. All right, go ahead and hit on continue. Please enter your mailing address right here. You can do this right now, or you can just verify later if you don't have the time yet. And of course, add the business hours right here. It could be open for Monday until Friday. All right, hit on next, or you can just skip. All right, for now I'm just gonna hit on skip. You can also add your business description right here, like for example, hi, something like that, and just hit on next. Then you can also upload your photo right here, or your business photo. All right, for example, this one, my photo. Just gonna upload that. Hit on next, skip. If you want to continue with this advertising credit, just go ahead and claim it if you want to, but I'm not going to be using this account, so I'm just going to be skipping this one. All right, skip, continue, and that's how you basically create a Google My Business account. All right, you can also edit your products right here, read reviews, and especially edit services, the bookings. You can also add updates and edit your profile right here. And there you have it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.